Hi, this is Andrew Phillips, the founder and editor-in-chief of VM Coach, bringing you another extra explanation to one of our questions for EP Monthly. So, spoiler alert, as always, take a look at the questions if you haven't already. And this month we're talking about vitamin deficiencies. The question goes through some of the explanations for what you're going to see, the symptoms and signs of the various deficiencies, but I want to talk about the names because the convention there isn't a matching between the numbers and the names associated with them. And the boards are welcome to use either of those. You have to be prepared that the boards may just mention niacin or riboflavin or what have you. So for a few of these, I have some tricks for you. First of all, thiamine, vitamin B1. So thiamine with a T, right? So you have that vertical stick, and you have the T. That's kind of like B1 with that little upper part and then a stick coming down. So vitamin B1, thiamine. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, kind of like both, riboflavin, both being 1 plus 1 would be vitamin B2. Then niacin, vitamin B3. If you look at the 3 and you take a look at it there for a second, you get a B and a 3. And that 3, if you text very often, you can put the little less than sign plus the 3 and make a heart, which is kind of nice. So niacin has that little heart looking thing. That's vitamin B3. So 3 makes the heart, 3 niacin, nice, a heart is nice. Niacin, vitamin B3, niacin. Next, I wanted to point out pyridoxine. Now that's vitamin B6. An easy way to remember that is that pyridoxine has that P. If you flip it upside down, it now kind of looks like a 6, right? If you take that top part and are a little liberal with how you're looking at it there, the 6 and the upside down P can remind you that pyridoxine is vitamin B6. Vitamin B9 is folic acid. I don't have a great explanation for you on that one. Just don't get it confused with pyridoxine and the trick that I gave you with the 6. And then cobalamin is vitamin B12. It's not a great way I have for you to remember that, but do remember that cobalamin and hydroxycobalamin, those are all related to the ability to treat carbon monoxide poisoning, right? So just bear that in mind, just a little side tidbit while we're talking about it. So those are my tricks for remembering the vitamin numbers, the vitamin names, with the B vitamins right now. But do take a look at the list, the table. It is definitely fair game. This is Andrew Phillips, the founder and editor-in-chief of VM Coach, wishing you luck on your exam.